Alright, good morning guys. Today is April 12th, Saturday, April 12th. Right now it is 6:28 a.m. Today I just felt like doing a vlog for like no reason. It's just like a average Saturday day in the life of like the world's youngest Healthmaxxer, whatever the heck you want to call it. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do when you wake up is chug just a crap ton of water, because right now my face is like bloated as heck and the water will like be bloated. So yeah, I'm not gonna film it, but you know the deal. Alright, so next you gotta go say good morning to the cats. Good morning, Biscuit. Can't find the other one, I don't know where he is. Alright, time to step outside. It's a bit chilly now, but the second thing you want to do in the morning is just get outside and touch some grass. Basically, being on grass outside barefoot is called grounding. And, oh shoot, I look bad. Grounding lowers your cortisol levels, which is basically like the stress hormone. And also getting some sunlight first thing in the morning. So yeah, I'm kind of just gonna like stand out here for a bit and just like, yeah. The sky looks really pretty right now. So anyways, after chilling out here for a bit, literally chilling because it's like 50 degrees right now, I'm just head back inside, but obviously. I found the other cat, so good morning to Luz. Yeah. So now that I'm back inside, I gotta be quiet because my sisters are still sleeping, but now that I'm back inside, I'm gonna pack a small backpack and then bike over to the park. It's like a mile from here. And I'm actually gonna do a workout, which is something I never do, but I'm vlogging today and I gotta act like I'm more productive than I really am. So in here I got the essentials. So I got a tripod, my headphones, and a CLYW Dune, which is my favorite laid back throw right now. So let's head to the park. Okay, so we made it to the park. It's completely empty except for like one dude at the pull-up bar, so I'm gonna just stay at the baseball field the entire time because like I don't want to like, yeah. Anyways, it's gonna be nice because we're out here. Beautiful morning, beautiful Saturday morning. Every day is a gift from God, so let's do this. Alright, so I couldn't finish that last set, but that's alright, because that means I'm growing right now, I guess. Anyways, what I'm gonna do now for legs is I'm gonna just like sprint foul pull to foul pull a couple of times, because I heard that's supposed to like spike your testosterone, especially when you're like fasting, and I haven't eaten since like 6 p.m. yesterday. So I'm gonna just do a couple of sprints and then I'm gonna bike home. It might be torture, we'll see. Looking back, this might not have been the greatest idea, so now my feet hurt like crap, and I've only done 2. But I'm gonna do maybe 2 or 4 more. We'll see, and then my workout will be done. I only ended up doing 2 more sprints. I don't usually do this. This is fun, but I should head home now because I'm already tired enough as it is. Got a mile bike ride back. Yeah, let's get home. Work has been outed, so I'm gonna go inside now. I'm gonna take a cold shower, which I'm not gonna show obviously, but yeah, there's probably the most productive morning I've had probably in my life. So let's go inside and take a cold shower, because I actually like those. That's something I actually do. Okay, so cold shower has been taken. Also, throughout the video, just like excuse my hair, because I don't do my hair on the weekends. What I'll do is I'll just like slick it back and it'll naturally part. So all I have in my hair is actually some based sea salt spray. I need them to sponsor me, so please, Lance Baker. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go make basically nature's ice cream, so a smoothie bowl. So let's go. Time to make a smoothie bowl. Basically this is just gonna be Smoothieflip's strawberry, banana, and blueberry recipe. But yeah, it's a good recipe. I'll share it with y'all. So let's go. Okay, so first ingredient is half a cup of milk. I might not even have half a cup in here, but let's hope for the best. Yeah, here's the half cup. And I'm gonna just... And, yeah, that's not quite enough. Alright, saving the half cup measurement for later. Second ingredient is half of a frozen banana. This one's kind of old, so it's gonna not look the best, but still tastes fine. Next, you get 5 frozen strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there's our daily arithmetic done right there. Since we have this half cup saved, now we're gonna go in and get half a cup of frozen blueberries. That seems about enough. And then this sad one fell out, but that's rest in peace. We're gonna do a scoop of protein powder. There's barely anything left in here. It's kind of the entire bag done right there. So you know what I'm gonna do now? I don't usually add Greek yogurt, but I will now because it's good for you and it's full of probiotics, so it'll help everything be yummy in my tummy or whatever the heck. So that's just a scoop of Greek yogurt for protein and probiotics. So next is just a tablespoon of peanut butter. I like peanut butter a whole lot, pretty good. And then last ingredient in here is gonna be 3/4 cup of ice. So I just got a handful of ice right here and just dump that in there. And now my smoothie bowl is good to go. One last thing I forgot to add, chia seeds. You need chia seeds, so just take this off. Chia seeds are pretty good. They don't taste like anything. They're good for heart health. So just be very careful with this. It's kind of a lot, but it tastes good. So yeah, let's get blending. Okay. Oh shoot! That's not what I wanted to happen. Okay, so I'm kind of chopped right now, but that's all good because I'm about to have a smoothie bowl. So what we're gonna do is just give it a light shake, put it in the blender, turn the blender on, and then you're just gonna go pulse for a few seconds. Take it off, shake it up, get all the frozen stuff near the blenders, and then just repeat. What you're gonna do now is get a bowl like this. Next is change the camera angle so it's pointing towards the bowl. And then what we're gonna do, take the lid off. That looks good. And then just go in like so. I'm also made lemon poppy seed muffins because she's the best. So let's just go eat, I guess. Finished eating breakfast and there's really nothing else interesting going on today except I do have a baseball tournament, but that's at like 4 p.m. So from now until then, I'm kind of just gonna be like doing homework, scrolling a bit, which I shouldn't admit to, but it's something that everybody does nowadays basically. I'll yo-yo too, yo-yoing's important, so let's just get to it, I guess. So it's been a couple of hours and I've come to realize that I can't really like film anything for the rest of the day because I got my baseball games and I gotta lock in and stuff. So I guess I'm just turning this into like a kind of morning routine video. So in that case, that about wraps it up. If you're new here, don't like and subscribe. And that's about it. So I'll catch y'all in the next one. So peace out.